Hello friends, today I'm gonna show how iPhone 1 hidden tricks. This is the 3D touch, okay, iPhone 3D touch option. So let's check. Example, you type some website here, like website. So somehow spelling is wrong. Then small website. So that have option just touch keyboard and this is what this is like a 3D touch, okay. You can easily manage anywhere, do something, okay. So this is the good tips for iPhone user. It is not for only for a website, or you can use this 3D touch anywhere, like message box, anywhere this is working. Spelling wrong, you can correction easily. So it's the best way. Please subscribe my channel for next update. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.